everyone.
My name is Muhammed Heydarov. I'm majoring in IT, and together with my teammates, we will talk about logic gates.
Hi, I'm Ali Hussein. I'm a student of computer engineering. Today in this video we'll show how basic logic gates like NOT, ONT, AIR, NAND and XOR work.
Hi, my name is Plodding. I am studying in IT. Today we will explain the inputs and outputs of each logic gate.
Hi, my name is Nargis and I'm majoring in computer science. Let's get started our demonstration.
NOT gate. The NOT gate, also known as an inverter, flips the input. If the input is 1, the output is 0. If the input is 0, the output is 1. OR gate. The OR gate gives an output of 1 if at least one input is 1. If both inputs are 1, the output is still 1. Only when both inputs are 0, the output is 0. AND gate. The AND gate gives an output of 1 only if both inputs are 1. If either input is 0 or if both inputs are 0, the output is 0. NAND gate, collaborated with Team 29. The NAND gate is the opposite of the AND gate. If both inputs are 1, the output is 0. If either input is 0 or if both inputs are 0, the output is 1. XOR gate, collaborated with Team 29, 47, and 22. The XOR gate, also called exclusive OR, is similar to the OR gate but with one key difference. If both inputs are 0, the output is 0. If only one input is 1, the output is 1. If both inputs are 1, the output is 0. In other words, the XOR gate gives 1 only when the inputs are different.